Hello, and welcome to this week's Let's Talk Meshings Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we describe the size field gradient metric and demonstrate how it can be best utilized. We've discussed the size field in an earlier video, the link for which can be found within this video's description. Recall that the size field function provides a visual representation of what the target edge lengths are estimated to be based on the grid spacing for any block boundaries and local sources that the block includes. It is a quick way to survey the target edge lengths of cells before running T-Rex and generating the volume grid for an unstructured block. The size field gradient function provides a visual representation of the magnitude of change in the size field. It can be accessed by first selecting a block and then from the Examine menu selecting the size field gradient metric. Here, I have an uninitialized unstructured block which contains two sources. These sources, together with the surface grid of the aircraft and outer block boundaries, will influence the cell edge lengths in their vicinity for the volume grid. You can get a visual representation of the magnitude of the size field gradient by selecting the block and from the Examine menu choosing Size Field Gradient. In the Examine panel, you can create a constant Y cutting plane that intersects one of the sources. In the display window, values for the size field gradient can be surveyed by hovering your mouse cursor over an area of the contour plot. Anecdotal evidence suggests that the metric should be kept below a value of 1.0 for best mesh quality results. Therefore, we recommend that you check areas of your mesh where the size field gradient is larger than 1.0. This may indicate areas where the surface grid needs improvement, the source locations, spacing, and/or decay values need to be revised, or perhaps the extents of your outer block boundaries need to be adjusted closer or farther away from wall boundaries. If you like this video, then be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, then drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter using the link in this video's description. Thank you and have a pleasant Tuesday.